Hey, hello everyone. Very good evening and thanks a lot for joining. Hope to see you all good. How are you all doing? Please give me a hi in the chat. How are you all doing? Good? Okay, awesome. Great. Rakesh, Disha, Somali, Manohar, Arjun, bhai. Awesome. कैसे हो सब भाई लोग? After a long time of 3 months, I'm here again doing this live on YouTube and also on LinkedIn and on our own Zoom platform. So I'm very much excited to start this session, right? And very good to see you all. Definitely, we will talk so many things. We will learn so many things in today's session. And I will promise you one thing, okay, from this today's session. You will learn something on different note today. Okay. How a leader should think, how a engineer can get a job, how a fresher can work on a real time. These all things you will be able to understand in today's session. Okay. So what is the topic of today's session? Before we go on to that, can you all confirm me from which place you are watching me right now? Right. So you are in India, you are in Bangalore, you are in where? Where are you all sitting down? Just let me know so that I can put a beautiful post on my Instagram and I'll tell you like, okay, what exactly we are going to do in this class. Okay. So I can see here people are from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Nagpur. Okay. I can see Bhopal, Hyderabad, Salem, Pune, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Guntur, Mohali. Okay. Most of the people are from India. Okay, so I can see like, okay, Vizag also. Okay, great. Joining from Bihar, Asia. So let's start the session, right? So with that said, I'll share my screen and let's start the session. Very beautiful to see you all today and glad to meet you all, right? So let's start, right? And I'll just open a notepad, okay? And we will drill down like the important aspects, what is needed for this class, okay? So let me do that. 1 second, I'll open the notepad. Okay, OneNote, Microsoft. Just 1 second, I'm taking out notes for you all to write. Okay. Okay, just 1 second. My pen tab is not responding, so I'll connect my pen tab. Okay, good. Okay, it is not allowing. Just 1 second, huh? I'm just checking few things. Okay, 1 second. Okay, all of you tell me one thing, okay? How many of you are using Mac here? How many of you are using Mac and how many of you are using Windows? Let's start the discussion with that. And I'll ask you one question based on the Mac, if anyone is Mac users. Okay, tell me, in the recent times, did anything changed in the Mac? Like the find option, I'm not getting. In the tab, right, bottom tab, there will be a find option, right? So where all the apps open, what was that? Like on the Mac laptop, if you see earlier, we used to have all the apps. There is a one command, right? Launchpad. Huh? Where is that launchpad? Did anything got changed in the Mac? Spacebar? Because in my Mac, I'm not able to see that option and I'm not seeing the Microsoft OneNote on my dock. So I'm just checking Spotlight now. Is it? So where is the Spotlight? Just 1 second. I'm just searching Control R search bar finder. Where is that OneNote, yeah? How to do the search? Command plus space, huh? Okay, command. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so Microsoft. Okay, got it. Okay, somehow I will add it in the keep on doc. Okay, awesome. Got it. Let's start the session. Okay, great. Okay, I will share my screen. Are you all ready to start the session? I know like we are already 15 minutes late, but not to worries because today you are going to get exciting content from my end. Okay, right. Let me share my screen. Okay, all of you are able to see my screen? Yes? Awesome. Great. So before we talk about something, I asked you one question, right? About the Mac and the Linux, right? Or the Windows. Just 1 second, yeah. Let's just start them. Okay, so probably let me do this. Yeah. Okay, because I am using this pen tab also for almost after 1 month. So I don't know, like there is some issue. Okay, that's fine, no issues. Let's start with the typing itself. So I have asked you one question starting, right? That is like the Linux, oh sorry, that is like the Windows, right? And the Mac. So you all have told me that, okay, Praveen, we all are using different kinds of systems all together. But all of you tell me, in this, both the laptops, what is the major difference do you see, right, in the real time? Some of you will tell that, okay, Praveen, OS is one of the major difference. Some of you say like the build quality. Some of you say that like the admin admin settings. Some of you say like what other things like the folder structure, right? The primary differences, right? I'm just typing. Okay, UI. What else you say like okay, Praveen? These all are forming a different things. Performance. Okay, that is also great. What else you appearance? Okay. Anyway, appearance doesn't matter much. What matters is performance. Yes. So few of you are telling security. Few of you are telling cost. What is CPU memory? Okay, great. Let's consider that. What else you think that? Speed, awesome, right? Speed is one of the important component. Operations, okay. Okay, fine. So we have got this, but this much of data, right? And yeah, CPU, memory, disk, and all those things, right? So now all of you tell me, when you go and purchase any of the laptop, do you see all the functionalities? Obviously, I want to buy a laptop. I will see that, okay, these all are functionalities for me, right? What my requirement is, what kind of work requirement I have. Correct? We all do that, right? What kind of work requirement we have. And for your information, I started with Windows, okay? And then slowly shifted to Mac. And currently I am having Linux laptops. Okay. Have you seen the transition from Windows to Mac to Linux back to the next gen systems. Any idea? What are the next gen systems? Can anyone tell me, okay, what are the next gen systems we have? AI powered, right? Systems, correct? AI agents, which will do all our work, right? So these all things are making our life easier as we go ahead. But before we talk about this, let's talk about what is DevOps, okay? And why we need to learn. Very important, correct? Now, many of you tell me that DevOps is just a combination of dev and ops. How many of you say this? Just tell me. Tell me a yes in the chat. How many of you say, okay, Praveen, DevOps is just a combination of dev plus ops? Okay, you guys tell me, right? You all tell me that, Praveen, it's a dev and ops combination. Okay, so those who are telling that, you guys are wrong. Okay, those who are telling that, Praveen, DevOps is the combination of development plus operations, you all are wrong. Can I tell you what does DevOps means to me in 2026? Yes. Can I tell you all in 2026 what does DevOps means? Can I tell you? Once I tell you, you will be amazed to see that, bhai, this is DevOps. Yes. So please write down with me, all of you. I promise you, this one structured format, which I'll be telling you in next 2 to 3 minutes, you will be happy. And with this, all our preparation should be based on this next 5 minutes. Whatever I tell you, everyone listen, concentrate. Concentrate on what I am telling. Are you all ready? In next 5 minutes, whatever I tell you, this will decide your next journey. Make sense, everyone? Yes? Guys, great. Awesome. That's what Josh I need. Okay. So let me break down what is DevOps. One by one, I will write it. You also write it with me. Very confidently, I can say in 2026, you need this. Okay. So first of all, please write down DevOps is a combination of tools, right? Cloud plus security plus monitoring plus, right? Automations plus what else? What else you need? Coding, AI. What else you need? Any idea? What else? Security is there, monitoring is there, cloud is there, automation is there, troubleshooting. Correct? What else? Deployments? No. Deployment is part of tools. Database. Exactly. Linux. Correct? What else you need? Leadership skills. Correct? Leadership skills. Networking. Yes. What else you need? Come on, quickly. Think and tell me in the chat what you need. Cost optimization. Awesome. Okay, next. Tools, cloud, security, monitoring, automations, coding, AI, troubleshooting, database, Linux, leadership skills, networking, cost optimization. What else you need? Scaling. Scaling will come in the cloud itself, right? We have written here. Infra. Infra will come in automations. Problem solving, reliability. Awesome. Reliability. What else? Anything, do you think that it will make an impact here? Debugging will come in troubleshooting. Fenil Kanani. Debugging will come in here. Root cause analysis, that will come in troubleshooting. I will say like RCA. Okay. RCA. What else? Quickly. Anything? Are you thinking? Time management? Okay, that is a quality. Okay. Incident management. Okay. What else? Observability. Okay. Okay, fine. Now all of you see here. All of you see here. Now all of you tell me, if I have to mark this all as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 as 17 marks. Now, out of 17 marks, I will ask you, how many marks are you having right now? So let's say I am good at 17 marks. I can answer all the questions from these all topics. What is your marking? Let's rank. Okay, Tarun is telling 3 marks. Okay, Tarun, 3 marks. Okay, who else? 2. Okay, who is Sid? Sid is telling 11 marks. Okay, containerization is obviously there. Containerization. Okay, let's add containerization. Okay, containers. We will make it 18 marks. Right? 1, 5, 0, 15. Himanshu. Okay, Himanshu is telling 15. Till now, highest marks is 15, Himanshu. So, guys, what I am telling to say is the one thing which you should be aware to become DevOps engineer, you missed one more mark. What was that? Plus AI. How you all have missed this one, correct? You all have missed the main component, AI ops. So it's 19. One last mark I am waiting for you. One more thing you have missed. Can anyone tell me? It will make 20 points for you. What is the 1 point? Can anyone tell me? Kubernetes is containers. Docker is containers. MLOps, AIOps, CI/CD is under tools. Quickly, DevOps, SecOps, Jenkins, Pod, prompting, GenAI, MCP, Linux. Linux is already written. Ansible is a DevOps tools. GitOps under DevOps tools. Monitoring, infra, AL agents, lessons learned, infra management. Anything else do you think? Pipelines, LLM, Jira, testing, consistency, GitHub, SQL under database. What else? Grafana under monitoring, virtual machines, VM, shell scripting, discipline, optimization under cost, dev team collaboration, delivery team management, problem management, under incident management, JSON, VCS, system design. Awesome. Tarun, that is the one, system design. Guys, now total of 20 marks. Can I say? Yes or no? How many of you agree? What I have written is making you become a complete engineer in 2026. How many of you agree with me? Just tell me, like, put your hand here. And yes, Praveen, every interview is on this only. Every DevOps interview is revolving around this. Correct. Now I need to achieve in 2026 this 20 marks. Okay, where are other people? People from India. Give me a yes in the chat. भाई लोग आप हो कि नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं भाई అర్థమవుతుందా తెలుగు వాళ్ళు కరెక్టా any interview you take this will be there in 2026 now shall I make you ready for this yes shall I make you ready for this okay so the important mark let's start with Linux. Linux is the ground for everything. Okay. Now think in this way. These all systems are based on Linux only. Yes. Everything system design on Linux, AI ops on Linux, containers on Linux, observability on Linux, cost optimization on Linux and Windows sometimes, reliability on Linux, Windows, leadership skills, again, Linux, Windows, networking, Linux, Windows, cost optimization, troubleshooting, database on Linux, Windows. Majority of the world is 90% Linux. Yes, you all are happy with the understanding, right? So the first topic that we are going to touch out of the 20 marks, what is that one? Linux. Guys, those who are watching me, please listen. I will tell about myself in next 1 minute. Please see here. This is my LinkedIn ID. Okay. I am an ex-Walmart engineer, okay, and I have almost 3 lakh followers all over Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Okay. If you see here, I regularly post content on DevOps, SRE, cloud building, cloud skills, and we are going to conduct the biggest Microsoft event in May. Okay. I will tell you openly. This will be the biggest Microsoft event. You will get free goodies, free food, free visit to the Microsoft Office campus, free passes, free t-shirts, everything sponsored from Microsoft and my end. So this time I am exclusively partnering with Microsoft for this event, and we are getting the collaboration partnership for free food and swags, Microsoft own swags. Okay. So I would request you all, I will release the event details soon. We are just getting some things. I will register on my YouTube channel as well as on LinkedIn. But this is about myself on LinkedIn. Okay, you can see here, these are my awards in Walmart. Okay, these all awards for whatever the automations I have done, for whatever the work I have done in Walmart, cash awards, president, like vice president awards in Verizon, various kinds of automations, CI/CD automations, AWS automations, participating in the events, okay, some kind of proof of concepts, right? During the COVID times, CI/CD deployments, right? And quality and process. So these all are about myself, okay? The thing is, I will be releasing the, what do you say, the audio, the free event for Microsoft in the coming weeks. So this is my YouTube. Those who are watching me, you can watch Linux, free DevOps course, Git, everything is here. So you can subscribe to the channel. If you don't know me, everything will be here. I have almost cracked 30 plus companies, including your Walmart, Amazon, Flipkart, SAP, Informatica, JP Morgan Chase. If you want to see my offer letters, the offer letters will be on my YouTube channels as well as on my LinkedIn. Okay, right. Hyderabad. Okay, event is in Hyderabad. I will release the details. Just I need one final confirmation. Date is finalized. Event, like the room bookings, right? That we are waiting. Once done, I will release soon. Okay. So this is my part. Okay. I regularly conduct events and all those things. Okay. So you got about me, who I am as a person. I have almost 8 years of software experience. And from last 4 years, I have been teaching to all the people. Okay. Great. You all got me now? So let's start about Linux. Done, everyone? Okay, great. So all of you see here, we will jump on to discuss about Linux. Okay, I will be very much fascinated to bring all the points that you have told me in the first to the below one. Do you agree with me? I am very much fascinated to bring all the points that you told me in the first 1 minute to here. Do you think it's a surprise? No. Linux is based on these 10, 15 parameters. Again, we are learning Linux. I am assuming 20 marks for only Linux. Are you getting me? How to study, I am telling. Give 1 mark, one tool. So here, this is the main syllabus. Okay, this is the main syllabus. Now I am reading from here one syllabus, one part, and I am telling that part is 20 marks. Again, I will give 1 mark for each topic. Are you getting me, guys? How to study, how to read DevOps. You cannot by heart, you cannot sit, you cannot think. You have to imagine the way, okay, order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is the way you crack any kind of interview. Are you getting me, guys? Okay. So if you see, Linux also revolves around OS, the build type. Okay. Write it down. The build type, the admin, type of admin, the folder structure, the UI, the performance, appearance, security, cost, CPU memory, speed, operations, disk. Yes or no? You all agree with me, right? That's very straightforward thing that, okay, everything depends on these patterns. Correct? So now let's discuss about few things. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So all of you see here, let's start with what is Linux. Okay. I will just say Linux is a system. Okay. Linux is a system which has a monitor, a keyboard, CPU, memory, hard disk, and some OS features. And can I say the Linux is equal to Windows? How many of you agree with me? After this nomenclature, Linux has a monitor, Linux has a keyboard, Linux has CPU, Linux has memory, Linux has disk, Linux has OS features. So can I say that, boss, ultimately, Linux is equal to Windows? Whatever we have been doing from the very first day, it's the same. Linux is just a Windows, guys. So all of you, whoever is watching me from the laptop, just imagine that you are already owning a Linux laptop. Okay, it's just that it has some features difference. You have monitor, you have keyboard, you have CPU, memory, hard disk, and some OS level features. Okay, now you understood Linux equal to Windows. So I will write down topics to learn to crack interviews. Please write down, all of you. All of you, please write down the Linux topics to learn to crack interviews. Very, very important. And those who are liking the class, yes, Praveen, whatever you are telling from the starting, yes, it is making me sense. And I am able to understand, okay, this is the first component I need to learn. This is the second component, third component, fourth, fifth. Okay, I can understand that. Yes, what you are telling is now making me sense. And this is what kind of a mentorship probably I was looking from the day one. Okay, so don't worry, we will go one by one. But I will tell you one thing, whoever is having a LinkedIn, start posting content on LinkedIn. It will help you to reach many people. It will help you to scale your knowledge. And those who are watching me for the first time, right, do one thing, create a post today. You can start your post with the first post from my class. Tag me. You say like Ed. You say Ed, Praveen Singampalli, and take the screenshot of this one, the 20 pointers in 2026. You can keep a post like this with the heading 20 pointers I learned in 2026, and share it with the people. The every DevOps engineer, like-minded people will connect with this one. I guarantee you. I guarantee you, if you just post this screenshot and tell that today I learned 20 marks question, okay, from Praveen class, and people will be amazed. Hey, what is this nonsense this guy is talking? What is this 20 marks? They will curious. They will be having curiosity, and people will be trying to reach out to you. They will try to connect with you, build connections and grow. And that's how I started my journey. So I told you, DevOps is about leadership skills. Do you agree with me? Now, are you understanding the importance of one by one? You talk with people, you increase the leadership skills. DevOps is not just sitting home learning. You buy hard things, you vomit. No, it's a knowledge you have to do daily. You have to learn daily. Increase your skills. Talk with people. Connect. Right? Are you getting one by one what I am telling? Yes. So all of you see here the topics to learn to crack interview. I will tell you 100%. Don't read outside from these topics. I will make you learn these topics in a very easy manner. Are you clear? Everyone? Shall we do it? I will write the topics. Clear? Okay, so let's see. All of you just write the topics. Apart from these topics, don't need to anything. We are only doing the mark system in colleges, schools. Correct? Those who don't have LinkedIn, you create. You create LinkedIn, guys. Very important. Without LinkedIn, it's difficult. And don't leave the class. At the end of the class, I will show you some job opportunities. Amazing job opportunities on LinkedIn. We will deep dive about that. Okay. Are you getting me, guys? Don't leave the session. Okay, great. So let's write down some topics. Okay, point wise. All of you see here, don't learn Linux outside of these points. Okay. First, please write down. Okay. Linux OS types and flavors. Please write down one by one. You write down. Yes, Dikshit, I will tell you. Please write down all of you. Okay, OS types, flavors, right? Okay. All of you see here, Linux OS types, Linux folder structure, Linux security, Linux disk management, Linux user management, Linux file management, Linux process management, Linux CPU and memory. Yes, today we will discuss about Linux. I have taken 1 mark from today. So I will learn today only Linux. I will not jump into other things. Are you getting me? Right? Linux networking. Guys, any other things do you think under Linux we should read? Anything? Anything else? You think that, okay, these can be 1 point. Harshita is telling commands. What else? Firewalls. That will come under Linux networking, but I will type like firewalls and IP tables. Okay, is it make sense? Yes? Okay, so I can see here people are from Hyderabad, Bangalore, okay. I can see Bhopal, Hyderabad, Salem, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Bali. Most of the people are from India. If I can see, like, okay, why is that answer? Okay, great. So anything else? Admin permission, root directory is coming here itself, no? Folder structure in the root directory. Linux monitoring. Okay, that is one thing I will add it. Linux monitoring. Anything else? Permissions, file system, user system, under permissions. Logical volume management will come under disk. You want to write sub-processes also? LVMs. Linux patching. Okay, OS upgrades, right? Okay. Anything else, guys? Whatever you are telling now, log management and all those things will come under process management. These all things will be okay. Anything else? Do you think that it should be added here? Security, I have already added, right? Here, Linux security. Anything else? Services, yeah, CPU, memory, process management. SSH, that's fine, no issues. Okay, anything else? Okay, Linux booting process. Okay, that is a OS types and flavors. We will add that. VPN under Linux networking. Okay, under Linux networking, I'll write like VPN. What else? Volume mounting. Under here, volume mounting. What else? Linux backup. Okay, that will also come here. Backup. SSL WAF. Package management. Okay, OS upgrades and package. What else? IPs. IPs will come under, where is that? Network. Here. Cron job and automations. Yes. Cron job and automations. Networking, I have already written. Linux networking. Where is that? Here. Okay. Now, all of you tell me, whatever you are telling, tell me before you type, just tell me, are this falling under this 12 categories? Yes or no? Just tell me. I am asking a simple question to all of you. Whatever you are thinking, just see here, are this falling under this 12 marks or not? How many of you say yes? Quickly. How many of you say yes? Praveen, yes, bhai. आप जो बोले वो सही है. Yes. You all agree with me? Yes. So do you think that whatever I am telling from the starting, the marking system, is it making sense to you? See, what I am doing today, my job as a mentor today is to guide you the way to learn things. Okay. It's not like you randomly go and touch all the fields. You do one by one. This is your roadmap for 2026. If you see, I have started with Linux. If I am starting from very basics, I will start in this way to learn. Correct? And now I have the topics with me. Now I will read one by one topic and I will cover this all in some days, time, and hours. Can we see the roadmap to prepare these topics? See, I am here to guide you, right? My job is not to make you buy hard things. I am giving you a roadmap, and that's how you can learn with some resources. Today, in the evening, we will give you some resources in the website. Okay. The topics will be very clear cut defined, and you would have already received the resources, right? How many of you have received the resources on the website? Have you all received? I believe you have seen under the course tab. Have you all seen under the course tab? You will have some Linux materials already added. some Linux commands. Correct? You have not seen? Okay, at the end of the class, I will share it with you. Don't worry. Okay, I will tell you where are there the documents and all those things. Okay, clear, makes sense. But tell me, you all are enjoying learning? Suala, Shri, right? Niharika, Preeti, good? Okay, right. Okay, great. Right. Okay. Niharika, I am looking for a response from you if you are in the class. Okay, good. Right. All of you, Khan regular, Rajiv, Rajesh, Harshita. Okay, good. Enjoying. Right. So now let's see how to learn. See, all of you. I will take this point. Okay, Linux OS types and flavors. Okay, now how many types of OS I need to read? How many types of OS I need to read to clear the DevOps interview? See, my goal is to, what is my goal? Okay, my goal is to get an offer letter. Correct? We all are here in the survival game in 2026. We see layoffs. If people are not upskilling in the company, we see layoffs. Correct? So in this tough competition, I am here to only get an offer letter. Once I get the offer letter, with the help of I will survive in the company. The AI is taking jobs. The same AI is helping you to sustain in the job. So after the AI came, I will tell you one small story. Okay? AI is taking jobs is equal to AI is giving jobs. How many of you agree with me? See, I don't know. I don't know how many of you, like, it's a debatable question. See, I will ask you a straightforward question. I was just thinking about this one. Okay. So let me ask you this question and you tell me. Okay. Right. So I'm going to record this. Okay. I am writing on white paper today after this all layoffs are happening. AI is taking jobs. At the same time, AI is giving jobs. What is your take, guys? What is your take? Please, on the chat, tell me. Do you agree with me? AI is taking jobs. Yes, that's true. But at the same time, every software engineer who is watching me, you will agree that by yes, at the end of the day, I am happy with AI. It's helping me in coding. It's helping me in troubleshooting. It's giving me the direct answers in the job. It's helping me to create the presentations, templates. It's helping me to raise emails, whatever I am doing. Yes. Okay. So those who are not upskilling, they are getting attacked here. Okay. They are getting attacked here. You agree with me, right? You all agree with me. Yes. So that is the reason like we have to upskill and get a job. Okay. Right. So very good. Right. So I got it. So now let's talk about the Linux flavors. Okay. And don't worry about AI. AI is helping us. AI is helping us to grow. Okay. Right. So the type of OS which you need to prepare are two types. One, CentOS, which companies like Walmart, Amazon, SAP, Informatica, Paytm, Dun and Bradstreet, okay? And many other companies, Adobe, every company uses CentOS. And the other one is Ubuntu, okay? Companies like Atlassian, companies like, you can say like Verizon, Infosys, TCS, JP Morgan, right? Even Walmart. These all companies are using these kind of systems. So what you need to learn from today is only focus on these two systems. Are you getting me, guys? Are you getting me, everyone? We don't need to learn 100 OS. No, not needed. We just need to learn these two OS flavors only. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so all of you see here, I will talk about these two now. Okay, so very interestingly, when we talk about CentOS, the only difference between these two flavors, okay, CentOS and Ubuntu is commands. Again, do you agree with me? Now, if you see the order of learning, okay, I'm just making your life simpler. With this prescription, you can think like this as a prescription and what to read and what not to read. CentOS and Ubuntu both are same, and the only difference is commands, right? The only difference is the way you execute. Everything remains same. Everything is same. The way you execute the things, the way you run the things in these systems. Okay, so you can think like this is kind of Windows 11 and this is kind of Windows maybe 7. Is it make sense? Both are Windows, both are Linux flavors only with a different architecture, different components, different idea, different terminology, and all those things. Fine. Am I making sense, everyone? Okay, great. So let's talk about very important thing. From here, the OS types and flavors, the CentOS and Ubuntu. Okay, so let's start with CentOS. Now, CentOS, very important for the first point, Linux folder structure. Okay, and second point is Linux user. We will see these two now. Okay, and all of you tell me, if I tell that, okay, I will learn CentOS, these two things, do you think that it will be also same for Ubuntu? Yes. If I say that these two are components of CentOS, I have also learned about Ubuntu because I know that difference is only commands. Yes, right. So all of you see here, let's talk about Linux folder structure. Very important for your interview. Very important, guys. Very, very important for your interview. Now, quickly, all of you tell me how many folders are there inside a Linux? Have you ever heard etc, bin, right? What else? Where? What else we have? 10 plus folders are there. 10. What else folders? Root. Okay. Home. Mount. What else? Op. Great. Sbin. What else? etc. etc I have written. Where? Home I have written. What else we have? Apps. Lib. Don't tell me wrong. Apps folder is there. Maniswani. Conf. Madhu, I don't think conf folder is there. Do you think? What else folders are there, guys? etc folder, bin folder, var folder, sys folder, lib folder. Spurti is telling temp folder. Huh? Temp. Yes, temp folder is there. What else? Proc. Awesome. Bin I have already written. Bin. User. Great, 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 great. Mount I have written. Khushi. Names are nice here. Esbin, Sis, Preeti, Log, Log, where Log. Okay, any other different names? Boulder, boot folder is there, Bhakti? Can you confirm? Okay, let's ask Bhakti. Bhakti, can you confirm me if boot folder is there or not? Just tell me yes or no. Use AI. Dev. Okay. How many of you say dev folder is there, bhai? Dev folder is there? I don't think dev folder is there. Okay, I'm checking my YouTube, okay? Not the not any other thing because I just wanted to see some people are not able to join the Zoom session. So I'm just making sure they all are here in the live on the YouTube, right? Okay, people are joining, right? Great. Okay, that's fine. Now let's discuss about these folders one by one. Okay. etc folder, bin folder, where folder, temp folder, root folder, mount folder, opt folder, spin folder, lib folder, temp folder, proc folder, and user folder. Okay. Bhakti has not confirmed me this yet. Is dev folder there? Dev is not a folder, Shanmuga. Okay, that is a device. Okay, right. All of you, can you write down this quickly, guys? Then we will discuss about each of the folder system. Okay. Okay. All of you have written this? See, other folders don't worry about it. Like if you are telling, right, media folder, SRV data, and no. Whatever is important, we have to feed in our brain. That's it. So you see here, whatever we are discussing, these all are important topics only we are trying to cover. Not everything. We don't want everything to run over. Are you guys getting me, guys? Yes? We don't want everything to run over the things. We want only the things what is asked in the interview. At the end, my goal is to get an offer letter. I don't want to dump everything. AI is there. Once I join my job, I will take help of AI and solve the things. Okay, that is the mindset I'm trying to create for you. I just need a job. Once I join the job, AI will help you. But I need an offer letter to work with, right? Okay. So you understood about these things, right? And here also, not all the folders are needed. Okay. ETC, you can say like configuration folder. Okay. Binaries folder, logs or variables folder, temporary folder, main root info folder, user home folder, disk mount info folder. I hope you are okay. Optional folder, system binaries folder, libraries, libraries folder, and temporary folder, process oriented folder, user related. Okay. Yes. Hi, Vinay. Okay. All of you see here. Write down. Okay. You can take a screenshot like while you are learning, put it on the LinkedIn, tag me on the Instagram. Okay. My Instagram IDs, I will share it with you. If anyone doesn't know, you can always connect with me on Instagram. For all the Telugu people, this is my page for Telugu, and every meetup information, right, will be here also. And those who are from the like India, like not India. So basically, those who are from English, let's say you want to learn, what is that? Okay, this is my this one. Okay, so you can follow. Okay, all the information related to the meetups and different kinds of meetups I have done. Okay, so many meetups are there. So you can check this one. And for anyone who wants to check the other one, you can check that. Okay, right. And this is my LinkedIn. So you can do follow in all the platforms to make sure like you can do it. Okay, right. So that's a good one. Okay. So all of you have written about this one. Yes. Okay. Can we see now some AI automation? Yes. I mean, you should be aware of. Can we see one Linux AI automation? ChatGPT. Very simple. Yes. How many of you have ready? You want to use? Yeah, one shell scripting we will see. I will just tell you very basic thing. Okay. From whatever we have learned. Okay. I will just ask AI. Ready? One small code we will see. Okay, my way of thinking is, see, you all are thinking like a freshers. I want to make you little bit experienced. Are you getting me? Okay, so I will write some small code and I will take some commands from that and explain you. Okay, shall we do it? It will be good. In depth. In depth, we will see. With that one code, you will be getting some learnings. Okay. So see, based on this only automation. Okay. Shall we do? How many of you say yes? If I'm not getting more response, I will jump back to the same flow. If you say, okay, I will just use this flow only and we'll do one AI automation. How many of you say yes? Mhm. Yes. Okay, great. So let's start it. Okay. Right. I will do one automation. Which folder I should take it? You take one folder name and I will do that automation. Shall we take this optional folder? Because most of the company will deploy here the applications. Okay. Shall we take opt folder? Okay. Right. Okay. So I will open the AI, especially the chat GPT. Okay. All of you see here. I am learning Linux. Okay. And I have, okay, how many years of experience you have? How many years of experience? 5? Quickly, guys, on the chat. Okay. Based on that, I will give here. Okay. Mostly 0 to 5 years. Okay. Okay. Just see here. Okay. Read this, all of you. All of you read this, guys. Once you read, let me know. Read? Yes, Tarun, true. Guys, if you are in the class, I want a response from you. If you want to communicate with me, I am already knowing some names: Narayana, Narendra, Vardhan, Saurav, Muttu, Shanmuga, Manohar Padi, right? Manish, Cyber, Akhilesh. Yes. Guys, if you are there in the class, please, Tarun. Yes, yes, yes. Who else? Who else is there? I want new names. Okay, right, right. Okay, good. Hussain. Okay, great. You all have read. So all of you see here. It will give me some good scenarios. Okay, see here. Automated application deployment script. Oblu, right. All of you see here. It is giving me as per 5 years of experience. Okay. I will not make you like fear. Okay, all of you tell me. After seeing this script, how many of you are getting fear? This one script. right? Now, shall I make your life easier? I will make your life easier. Okay, this is the second script and this is the third script. Okay, first scenario, application deployment. Okay, application deployment script. Second scenario, health check plus auto restart script. Third scenario, log rotation and cleanup. Okay, we have three scenarios. These all are experienced people handling. Those who are freshers, don't worry. I will explain this script. I will take one script as example and I will start telling you. Okay. All of you are seeing my screen, guys? Yes. Are you getting fear? Yeah, we were learning little bit Linux. We were learning about OPT folder and suddenly he's showing this code. What is this Praveen doing in the first session? My way for at least today is to tell you how things are working in real time. I want to make you understand, Kiar, if you go and learn in the school, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, you will be there itself. You have to come out of that, learn things like an experienced guy. A fresher is not a fresher anymore. People are expecting you to give answers like 3 years, 5 years. Correct? You are getting me, right? So this code or in your life, I will give you promise. With this explanation, you apply this explanation in any coding language. Mark my words. 100%, I will give you all my guarantee. I will teach these lines in such a way that you apply this terminology in any coding language wherever you go. Okay? Yes, no? Yeah? So you see. Okay? If you are liking my class, please, please like it. Okay? Right. So actually, you see this pen tab, na, I usually write over here, but somehow it's not working. Or else I would have explained you in very, I mean, more beautiful manner. Okay. So as of now, I'm writing things, na. I don't know like what happened to this. I will once again, I will check. Okay. Because I can be more effective to tell you all these things. Okay. No, this pen tab doesn't has charging. It will directly connect to the. Okay, my pen tab is working. Okay. Shall we start? Good. Okay. So all of you see here. So all of you see here. Now, whenever you are starting a code in Linux, okay, this is a code in Linux. I will give the command. I will give the ChatGPT prompt also. Just wait. First of all, see here. Okay. Every code is having 4 steps. How many steps, guys? How many steps? Every code has how many steps? Every code. You go to world, anywhere, any world. 4 steps. Okay. This is Singham 4-step theory. Okay. Any code you apply to any rule. Okay. Any code, any rule, any world, anywhere. This is my theory. I learned this way. So I will explain you in that way. Okay. Right. So all of you see here, the 4-rule theory states that every code can be divided into 4 blocks. First block. Okay. Second block. Okay. So you see here, I will write again, probably because the screen is big. Okay. So I cannot, just one second. I will make this code little bit small. Fine. Na? You are able to see, right? All of you? All of you are able to see, right? Okay, fine. Right. What is the first block? First block. See, second block, I am putting it little bit big, but don't need to worry. Okay. The third block is writing the start screen. And fourth is checking for blocks. Okay. So all of you see here, the first block is always equal to equal to. You see, A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to D. Every code needs variables. Okay, now all of you tell me, you know me by my name. Yes or no? You know me by my name. So what I will write in the top? My name is equal to Praveen. So in the interview, any code will have names in the code. Okay, app name, deployment name, backup directory name, package name, file name. So you say like equal to equal to equal to equal to. Okay, are you getting me? Any code you take today, you search any code, you go to Python code, Java code, Node.js code, any code, that starting lines will have this. Are you guys understanding what I'm telling? Yes? Good. Do you guys agree with me? Yes? Okay. So you assumed that before you came to the class, you only know that Praveen is there and he has a brand called Hey DevOps, right? This both of the things you know, right? Because you logged into the website and you also know the time, you also know the time of the class, you also know the date of the class, and you joined today. So can I say these all are parameters for you to join this class? Can I say these all are parameters? Yes. So these all are parameters. The first block in any code is define parameters. Okay, now second block. What is this? Condition. So what is the condition, guys? If the class is starting at 6 p.m., then I will join. If Praveen is my mentor, I will join. If in the class Praveen teaches well, I will stay. Are you getting me? So what are these? Conditions in code. Do you guys agree with me? So first, you saw me, my brand, you took the parameters, and now you are conditionally listening the class. You are based on the conditions. You are joining at 6 p.m. if the class is there. You are listening my class if Praveen is teaching well. You are staying in the class if Praveen is giving you that knowledge. Conditions. Are you getting me? In every code, conditions and parameters matter. Are you guys getting me? How many of you agree? See, I am telling you in the real time. You guys have joined by seeing the parameters somewhere, and you are here conditionally. You are applying your knowledge. You are checking my ability conditionally, and you are here after 1.5 hours also because you trust me, my ability to teach you based on conditions. You are here. Otherwise, you would have dropped long back. So check when the interviewer is giving you whether these are what conditions the interviewer is looking in you in the code. When he gives you, What are the conditions? Why this code is there? How you have to run it? What is the need? Right? And now you all are here with condition, right? And after this session, you will go and think how to apply. Yes or no? You all agree with me? After the conditions are met, you are here with me for next 2 hours. So you will start applying those. Okay. And finally, you will check for outcome. These are the 4 steps in any world. You go, you check. You all are here based on parameters. After you selected your parameters, now you are here based on conditions. After the class is completed, you will apply that. And after few months, you will see the outcome. You are getting me? Yes or no? See, everything logic. Apply a logic in your life. Okay. Don't just buy hard things. If I have to drill down into this code also, I can go. I will make this your life in a very simpler, like you will think like, Arey yaar, Python code, I will do it. I will make your mind to sit to that level with the way that I teach. Are you guys getting me? Yes. See, every mentor has different aspects. I love teaching because that is the way that I have learned. Okay, in the school also, social subject. You know that Mughal came to India, fought with Babur. This happened, that happened. 1947, this happened. Panipat battle. I never used to remember those things. I used to connect those things with the real life, and then I used to write it in the exam. Because remembering is like khichdi, making khichdi, and connecting with the real life and working. So you see, tell me, have you seen this kind of things from any mentor? I will say 100% no. Tell me, have you seen these kind of, at least whatever I have told you? Like I will tell you the one that I have promised you in the start of the class, right? You will not see this kind of teaching from any mentor. Tell me, have you seen, like, making your life in an easier manner and making you understand with real examples? Yes, you agree with me, right? You have, so probably the way that I teach, I make sure like, okay, you guys are understanding what I'm talking about, right? It's easy. And Python, if you join my Python class, you will be amazed to see like Python is dead easy. Okay, Python is like, it's just a Python which was making you fear, but it's very easy. Okay, great, great, good. So let me tell you one thing. I will give you the prompt. Okay, you all can save the prompt also. Where is the prompt? But this prompt is according to my experience. Like I gave it. Okay, you all can take it. Okay, take that prompt. You all can save it. Right click, copy and save. Okay. Clear everyone? Have you all saved the prompt, guys? Make sense? Yes, no? Okay, great. Awesome. You all are good. Okay, so let me tell you a few things today. Okay. I don't know, like how many of you are looking out for jobs? Tell me honestly. How many of you are actively looking like, okay, I have to get job in next 2 months, kind of that strategy? How many of you are using? You all are there? Yes, most of you are looking out for job. So have you learned something new today? If I have to ask you, Samyukta, yes, you all have learned like, okay, how to analyze things, how to apply. Okay, so for you all, I'll tell you few things. Okay, those who are looking out for job, especially probably like experienced people or freshers, right? Or maybe you can say like very new people, whoever is doing, okay, job learning or something. I will tell you some interesting facts today. Okay. So whoever sees this, okay, just see here. I'll just take 5 minutes of your time. And what I'm going to tell you is something which will amaze you for your learnings. Okay. The way I teach till now, basics to advanced. Okay. I'll tell you. So all of you see here, this is the batch 15. Okay. And I run, like I have completed 14 batches. Okay. Till, till now, I have completed 14 batches of DevOps SRE. And this batch 15 is the new batch, which is having an exclusive free meetup at Microsoft Office with free swags, free goodies. Okay. Right. So let me talk about some things about this program. I am kind of a mentor who is offering this 2 months dedicated mentorship. Okay. For 2 months and at 70% off for the people who are in the Zoom live session. Okay. So if you see here, these classes will have starting from Linux administration to Linux certified administration sessions, get in depth to implement role-based access in Kubernetes, Jenkins CI/CD, DevSecOps, Azure, Linux CIDRs, Jenkins master slave, Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins integrations with DevOps tools, Kubernetes real-time monitoring with tracing tools like Istio, Kiali, Jaeger, Helm charts, CI/CD pipelines, networking, real-time scenarios. Every topic I will give you in class, the real-time scenarios. With that, you don't need to go anywhere because I know for my experience what questions ask. For a fresher, what automations they will look at. Okay, what you need to create in Ansible, how to learn Python, everything I will take care. And if you see, after every topics, I will create your ATS friendly resume and I will do your mock interview. And finally, I will give you set of interview questions, which are from the companies like Walmart, Amazon, whatever I have cracked the companies. And finally, I will make you job ready with this syllabus. Okay, this is a 2 months program. In this program, you are going to get all the real-time projects. If you read this one, just take 1 minute of time, just read it. DevSecOps CI/CD pipeline with monitoring, Docker, Kubernetes three-tier architecture, Kiali Jaeger monitoring, GitOps, Python. For freshers, I will tell you one thing. When you are looking for a job, your resume needs different flavors, and many freshers have got placed from my teaching because they know what is a leadership quality need. They know how to speak to a interviewer, how to present resume like a masala ready resume, right? किसी को बिरयानी देने से उसको क्या लगता है भाई खा लेंगे, right? Because biryani is served in that way in a restaurant. So your resume will be looking like this, and these all projects we are going to do in the class, and I will teach you. Also, I am going to give you job guidance. You see here, I am going to exclusively share my resumes. Are you getting me, guys? For freshers, I will share my Infosys resume. For mid-level people, for 5 years experience, I will share my Verizon resume. For a 10 years of experience, I will share my Walmart resume. You will see that resume here. Okay, that's how evolvement happens. And not only this, I will share you top company hiring list where you directly go and apply. And with this batch, you are also going to get all these tools. Azure, Istio, multi-cloud, AWS and Azure with Terraform. Every tool I will teach you in person. Okay, you all will be here. Now I cannot talk to you, but in the class, I will talk with you, right? You have any doubts, you have the mute or unmute option, you can talk. So you see here, I have cracked these all companies. SAP, Walmart, Informatica, Amazon, Paytm. I have this offer letters and I will show you, right? So these all things are about myself. And if you see the placements, I'm not telling lie. You can talk to any of the person. Go to LinkedIn, search their name, search, search. Okay. People from India, USA, right? Got placed in Adobe. You talk, every person is on LinkedIn. You talk with the people, like how the jobs are there, how Praveen is teaching. Okay. And if I have come back, you are going to get, this is a April batch going to start in next few days. And meanwhile, we will do the revision in this way, right? And every weekend, live sessions will be there, plus recorded sessions will be there. And 14 projects, AI, certificate of completion, and assignments. I will give you assignments which can help you land your dream job. And for the batch 14, 15, I know many of you are looking for guided mentorship. Like you want me to be there with you, sitting beside you. Correct? Many of you will think that, okay, I want Praveen sitting beside me and telling me that, okay, this you do, this you don't do. Those who are looking for that, I have added Elite Mentorship Program for the first time in last 4 years. Okay, I will tell you again, repeat this. For the first time in last 4 years, this is the Elite Mentorship Program for 6 months. Under this only, under batch 15, you will continue with the normal people, but there is a new add-on. Now, those who are interested, who are enrolling today, because this price is set for today, you are going to get a 70% off. And if you are selecting the Elite Mentorship, you will get my number, you will get a dedicated WhatsApp group, 6 months dedicated mentorship, everything I will take care. Okay. For the next 6 months. So those who want to enroll for 70% off, you can just come here and click on this link. Those who want to get Elite Mentorship along with the batch 15, you can select this and pay. Okay. And this cost, because I will be there. I will be telling you, okay, do this, do that, your resume, your pointers, your interview feedbacks, your mock interviews, one-to-one sessions, everything I will take care. Okay. So I will put so much time on you, like job ready. And once you get job, that salary is yours, that package is yours. No need to give me any money. So those who are interested, I am only looking for 10 people from this live session, only 10 slots. After that, we will increase the price. I will change all the prices. Are you seeing? Every fresher is eligible. You can apply. I will share this link. So whoever is interested, you can join. I will refresh this link. Yes, whoever is interested, you can buy this. Okay. So Elite membership will come with batch 15. Okay, Bhakti. So you have to purchase both because batch 15 will give you access for live sessions, recordings, and there is a separate track. So once you enroll, you will get a separate track for Elite mentorship where I will be there. Your number will be there. My number will be there. We will have a one-to-one separate. For 4250, I will only teach. Those are live sessions. Okay. For one-to-one and for 6 months mentorship, dedicated, like I will be sitting with you. Correct. Some people might need like, okay, I will read in group. I can get job in a group. You purchase 4250. That's fine. A group. But some people will think like Praveen should be with me for next 6 months at least. Okay. I have spent lakhs of courses amount, but Praveen should be with me. So you go for Elite. Okay. So I am waiting for 10 people, right? So I will share this link. Whoever is interested, let me know. I can help you the best. You have that confidence at least. Okay. I have shared this link. Anyone who is interested, just give me your names and I will be with you. 4250, it's a group preparation. It's a batch 15 as a group, like how you have joined the Zoom sessions, right? If you want group mentorship plus dedicated mentorship, you can take Elite. Okay. So I will wait 5 minutes. Okay. No wasting time because we have to give resources to you, Linux resources, right? I have to make you walk through our website. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay. So you can enroll. And I will tell you with 4 to 5 years of experience, Tarun, you are asking 50 LPA. Okay. That's difficult. At least you can target 30 LPA. Okay. Microsoft free goodies and swags and the Microsoft entry for batch 15 people, I will intimate. Okay. I will intimate on YouTube as well as those who are enrolling. We will send you an exclusive email also. Separate email will come. Yes. Those who have already enrolled. Okay. Good. No issues. We will inform you on the email. Okay. Bhanu. So whoever wants, I am going to share this screen. I'm going to refresh this screen. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Yes, easily. Are Vardhan, easily. You should not say, can I get 9 LPA, previously 6 LPA? No, that's very less. 6 to 12 LPA or 13 LPA you should target. Okay. And those who are watching me, I will share you the link. Please go ahead. If anyone is interested, 2 months. Okay. For the normal mentorship, 2 months. For the elite mentorship, 6 months. Okay. Okay. Already people are started taking. So you can take. Recordings will be available for 2 years. Okay. What about this session, bro? Is it just demo or complete course? This is kind of a demo you can understand. Okay. And we will add some recording videos also. Okay. So you can understand with that. Elite mentorship. Okay. I'll tell you. So whoever is planning for elite mentorship, I'll tell you one straight thing. Okay. Let's say Bhakti is with me. Okay. So Bhakti has some doubts. Bhakti has some questions. Bhakti wants to see like some things additionally projects. Bhakti wants to know from me, Praveen, I'm not able to, like my dream company is JP Morgan Chase, but I'm not able to crack it. What should I do? So until you crack JP Morgan Chase for 6 months, your plan is like 6 months. I will be with you. You are getting me, Bhakti? यार 6 महीने में जॉब लेना है, ठीक है, तो मैं हूं आपके साथ, आप ये मान के चलो। 4250 में प्रवीण क्या दिया है, आप ये पे कर रहे हो, आप मान के चलो कि यार इलाइट है, ठीक है, इसका नाम ही इलाइट है, तो मैं रहूंगा आपके साथ। कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, आई एम देयर। आपको कुछ रियल टाइम में देखना है, आई एम देयर। आपको कुछ इशू आ रहा है, आई एम देयर। ये सेपरेट प्रोसेस रहेगा, ठीक है। एंड डेफिनेटली मच बेटर थिंग्स, राइट। राइट। So let's see. Okay, people have taken. Right. So go ahead, guys. Those who are interested, you can definitely take it. I'm again sharing the link. I'll share you the direct link this time so that you don't need to route at various things. Yes, Ravali, that's true. For 4250 also, I will teach, but it's a group. Okay? You will be you will be among a group. But if you want a dedicated one-to-one, then you can opt for Eli. So, okay, we Dikshit, what is your question? I have registered for 2 months course, waiting for that course. Okay. I am having 3.5 years of experience. Huh. See, Java, you want to mix like Java plus DevOps. Correct, Niharika? Okay. That's a good start. Every Java engineer should know how the Linux works, what are the backend things, how you deploy, how your code, Java code, which you convert into a jar, then to a container, then to a pod, then your monitoring happens. Everything we will see here, but you have to wait. Okay. Allow us some weeks. We will update you. We are not going to run away. Okay. Right. Yes, you are going to get recorded sessions also. Those who are taking batch 14, you are going to get automatic recorded sessions. So don't need to worry. Okay. Right. I am already in good fintech with 28 LPA with 4 years of experience. Now, how much can I expect for next switch? 4 years, 30 LPA, very strong position, Tarun. If you are already at this position, let me tell you, for the next jump, at least 4.5 years of experience, you can target around 35 to 40, 40 at least, right? Right? Yes. You will get recorded sessions also in batch 14. Okay. Okay, great. 6 people. I am having different issues not related to course content. Dikshit, talk na, like here. Ask in the chat. I am here. Yes, you can change. Surjit, we will update you. Okay? We will update you on email with date, time, everything. Even for the meetup also same. Okay? Okay, those who are on okay, those who are career gap, yes, brother. Career gap is also you can check out. Okay, class timings, it's a morning batch. Okay, and those who are opting for elite, it's like a mutual understanding. We can do it, so no issues. Okay, and referral support also. Let's think like this. You have a particular dream company, but you are not getting a referral. So I will be able to help you because I have contacts and all those things I can help you. Okay. So it's up to you. Like, see, I will tell you if you are spending some amount, right? So I will tell you like you are going to get that definitely. Okay. At least with me, with this program that I have introduced here, I'm going to give a try, right? With you all, I'm going to give a try like, okay, how much beneficial it's between you and me. Okay. How much beneficial it's between you and me, how well I'm going to train you, right? How well I'm going to show you things, right? Anything you can consider like that. Okay. Okay, 5 seats, guys. Okay, that's great response, by the way. Evening batches, I don't conduct because in evening, right, people go out, people relax. So these are morning. Okay, morning. Interview assistance, yes, brother, Raja. I will take your mock interview. Timings, 9 a.m. Okay, I will show you. Timings, people are asking timing. 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Some videos will be recorded, some videos will be live, but it will be a 2 months class. Okay. If you see here, all the projects, these all are projects. Okay. Yes, weekends and weekday, Wednesday, one day will be there. Doubt session. Okay. Okay. Last 5 seats, guys. That's a great response, by the way, from all of you. And how many of you are taking elite? Okay. भक्ति से बहुत क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, तो मेरे पास 5 लाख है, एमसी किया है 2022, बट अभी मैं स्टडी कर रही हूँ डेवऑप्स से सारी, और मैंने 2 इंटरव्यू भी दिया है, कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो रही है और एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा। ठीक है, मतलब आप किस किस डोमेन, डेटाबेस में हो, राइट? ठीक है, वी विल फिगर इट आउट भक्ति। ठीक है, क्योंकि आप बोल रहे हो डेटाबेस में हो, तो डेवऑप्स प्लस डेटाबेस अगर रेज्यूमे बना रहे हैं तो आई थिंक दैट विल बी वेल एंड गुड। ठीक है, तो वी विल ट्राई इट, नो इश्यूज। यस ब्रदर जानकी, you are going to convert into a test engineer to DevOps, correct? How do you want to convert? Okay, anyone who has taken the Elite mentorship, guys, please let me know your name because from now I want to connect with you. Yes? Anyone else taken apart from Bhakti? Vinay has taken. Have you taken this? Oh my God, 2 seats. Okay. Okay, that's great. Awesome. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. We'll see. Go ahead and I will take some names, whoever has done the Elite mentorship. Let me pull out. Okay. Any questions? You can put it in the chat. Okay. And let me know. Okay. Anyone who has taken the Elite mentorship can give your name. I will match the results. Okay. Any other questions? Payment not processing. You can check with other options once. And I have 2 years of experience in SAP HR. Okay. Can we get interview questions? Yes, yes, brother. Ravali, yes. I will take the course, but paid for EMIs. Yes, sure. You can take it. I have 2 years of experience in SAP HR, Accenture, and now how much can I expect? What is your current package? You have to tell me. Fake experience, brother. I am not supporting. Okay. So I have stopped supporting that thing, but you can understand. Okay. 12 LPA. Yes, Sunam Rajesh. Yes, from scratch. Hi, Praveen. Elite mentorship price. Yes, Himanshu. See, I will tell you. For 30 minutes session, I charge 2000 rupees. You are understanding, right? So you can go to TopMate and check. So yes, all the prices, whatever you are seeing, it will change. Okay. Yes, you can take EMI also. Yes. Any card you can take it. So I'm waiting for two more people. And once that is done, we will fall back to our actual plan. Any questions you have for me, by the way? Any questions, any queries, any sort of things you want to ask? Hi, Anna. Now I'm working on SAP. Now decided to switch to domains. What kind of challenges will I face while switching? Rajesh, many challenges. Okay. Many challenges because we don't know like how the scenarios are there, how the things are there. Correct. So yes, challenges are always there. Okay. Tech support, 4 years experience. Hi, Praveen, non-IT admin level low course. Okay, good. Definitely we can do it. No doubt in that. Presently, I am very stuck since 2 years DevOps AWS and worked having Salesforce developer 3.5 LPA. I have done civil engineering. I'm having financial issue. Okay. And I want job. Yes, definitely, Dikshit. I think, see, you can compare also. Okay. I'm not telling like, okay, this is the thing that you have to do, or I am going to give you something. See, Dikshit, I will tell you. It's up to you, whatever you want to take. Okay. But I will help you. Okay. I will definitely help you. Yeah, you can check now. Yeah, you all can check now. Yes, Prithvi Lanka, you can upgrade to Elite. Anyone who wants to upgrade to Elite, you can keep our mail for reference, right? This is our mail ID. Okay. This, if you want to upskill in Elite, you can just send out an email and we will help you. Okay. Right? Okay. Any questions, any doubts you have for me, please let me know. To I'll definitely help you. Okay. Any questions on YouTube? Anything you wanted to ask? Praveen, I have one doubt. If we take non-elite program in the middle, if we want to update, see, Niharika, I'll tell you. Okay. What is your end goal? Okay. You are already earning like some amount, right? So you want to upskill from Java to DevOps. Avuna? So నీ ఇష్టం అది, like you can do it right away. You can send out an email and we will share you a separate link. And you can upgrade. right? Yes. And see, Java, anyone, right? Anyone who is here, who is like a Java developer, DevOps developer, how you can upskill, change your learning, right? So I think it's true. Okay, right. So what I will do now, I see people are asking for Elite. So let's do this. I will do one thing. Okay. 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 Now tell me, how many of you want only Elite program? So based on that, we can tell probably. How many of you want only Elite? Let's say like you want only to have, yes, you want? So go ahead and take it. This is the link for Elite. Okay. Separate link we will give to you. You can check if this is taking you to the payment page, right? You can get yourself added to this program and we will help you. So this is a separate Elite program because you guys are asking. So we are going to give you, okay? Please check it. Whoever wants it, I have shared it with you all. You can check it, okay? Yes, right. Niharika, you can take this link. Okay, those who have enrolled for batch 15 previously and you think that, okay, you have not got a chance, you can take this one. Okay, right. Any questions, anything you want to discuss with me? Okay, so I will close the enrollments if no more questions people have. Okay, any questions? Getting error? Please recheck now. Okay, what happens because people are trying, okay, people are opening link. Okay, yes, tomorrow there will be a session. We will announce that. Okay. What will be covered in each week? Each week syllabus is there, right? We have shared the each week syllabus on the main page. You can check that. Yes, you can definitely. Okay, how many of you are enrolling for Elite mentorship? Can you please give your names on the chat? Bhakti, are you still there or you are thinking still? Yes, no. Okay. Okay. I'm going to give you the link separately. Okay, you can take it. Karthik, right? Check this one link, right? What error you are getting, Karthik? See this one. What error you are getting? Guys, last two seats. Is it? Check now. Okay, so let me check. Please check now, na, Karthik. Guys, anyone? Okay, great. Yeah, check that. Yeah, Dikshit, you can email also, no issues. Yes, please. Yes, so Bhakti is telling here. So Bhakti, you have that link, right? Batch 15 and the other one? Yes. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Okay, any other questions you have? Now working. Okay, Krishna, sorry. Okay, Vignesh, you are also interested? Right. So let me give you link. Vignesh, right? Okay, Vignesh, go ahead. So Bhakti, okay, let's do this. Bhakti, I have shared you and Vignesh a separate link. If you enroll on this one, we will upgrade you to batch 15 also. Okay, go ahead and do it. Okay, right. Anyone else? Any questions, any queries, anything you want to discuss? Okay, any questions to me, guys? Any doubts, any queries? Okay, so what I will do? Yes. Upgrade not happening. Okay, Krishna V, what you can do now, you can take, see, if you have already enrolled for batch 15, this is the link for direct enrollment for Elite if you want. Yes, Mohan, yes. Okay, yes. Shabana, yes. Ravli, you want to come to Elite? I am unable to. What is the error? Let me check. There is no error, right? Are you getting anything, Spurti? What error? See this one, this link you see. Can you tell me what error? Okay, Sounder. See, 15 LPA, it depends on many things, Sounder. Okay, so if you tell me like, okay, Praveen, I will come to Elite, I will learn under you, and can I get 20 LPA? So I cannot promise that. I will teach like 100%, like I will give efforts. We will do things, okay? We will work on plan, right? That is a different story. But if you want, I'm going to give you the link also, right? This one. Okay. Hi, Praveen Singh. Boliye. Okay. Any questions? Guhan. Bhai boliye. Arey, why everyone is telling like for already registered people, this Elite link is not working, not showing anything, just lands on our homepage. Is it? No, open in the incognito. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, let me do this. This one you try, this link. Okay, whoever has enrolled for batch 15 and want to upgrade to Elite, use this link. This one which I gave you now, this is a checkout page. I have take batch 15, Elite is not working. Okay, Spurti, I'm giving you this link. Just check in the incognito ones. Okay, try incognito. No, Praveen, it will take time. For batch 15, we will update over email. Just keep your emails check and remove any unwanted space and anything on the emails. Okay. Okay, great. So all of you use this link. Whoever wants to upgrade to Elite, who has already enrolled for batch 15. Okay. This is a special link. Right. So let me share my screen. We will quickly see how many seats, like two people are still there for us. Right. Okay. Two people. Okay. How many of you are interested to enroll with 4250? Okay. I will tell you one thing. The final call, we will make it in next 5 minutes. We will close this meeting and we will make you walk through. Yeah, this is the batch 15 link. Krishna, thank you. Reserve. Sure. Okay. Alekia, please use this link. Okay. You can open in incognito. Okay. Whoever is facing issues, you can open in incognito. You will have the idea. Okay. Any questions to me? Is it possible to complete DevOps in 2 months? See, this is kind of a program where topic project will be there. Sunkara. Okay. Like you have a topic, you do a project. You have a topic, you do a project like that. Okay. Okay. So batch 15 will start in next few weeks. We will update you over email. Okay. And definitely you can have a look on the website. The course details will be slowly getting added. So those who are enrolled or interested, you just keep on enrolling and we will send out an email shortly. Okay. And the meetup, DevOps meetup also. Okay. Shilpa, see, we are giving a separate link today. ठीक है तो you can use that link ना मतलब if you see I cannot teach 100 people or 10 people like at least like 20 people in a what is that elite mentorship. So in elite mentorship I'm thinking like two people, three people only. You're getting me right. So if you are there, if you want to let's say like upskill or do something right, you can definitely join now. Okay, after 2 3 days, if people are there, I get 3 4 people, I'll close that. Na. So I'm giving you this link, you can check out. No, Prithvi. Okay, Harshita. ठीक है. Good. Complete course, heavy content on this. So, but हाँ, iPod दे, Krishna, no issues. ठीक है, it will be done. Okay, any questions you have, guys, for me? Okay, let me share my screen. We will see few things. Mhm. Okay. Okay, any questions? Okay. I am a UI developer. I want to upgrade my skills. What can I do? हाँ रेफरल ఉంటది in elite कृष्णा ठीक है प्रेम you can join our batch 15 ठीक है you can check out okay fine so I will say one thing okay so we will close the enrollments ठीक है so I think we are left with 2 seats let me check okay so let me share my screen. Okay, 1 second. Okay, whoever is planning to elite one, this is the elite mentorship. ठीक है? Yes, beginners are also good to come, no issues. Okay, definitely you can join. Okay, I have shared the elite link also. Okay, yeah. Yes, for freshers, for experienced everyone, you can go ahead and take it. Okay, definitely it will help you. Shri Vinay Kumar. Yes, Alekia, yes. We cannot go to each person and ask, right? Every company. So for someone who is under elite, I can definitely reach out. We can try some things out there. Correct, na? Okay, so I will share my screen. We will put a timer on the screen and okay, let's close this one. Okay, I would need a names here. Okay, great. Thanks, Vinay. So we have 2 seats left and whoever is interested, please go ahead. We will close the enrollments. Okay, right. So this will be the final call and we will jump onto the resources planning and data points. Okay, final 2 seats left. Anyone who is willing? Anyone? You have seen the way I have teached, like the way you understood the coding little bit part, the way that pointer system work in DevOps, right? You have seen all the things end to end. Okay, how many of you are enrolling? Can you give your names, guys? Please. Okay, Vinay. Okay, 2 people I am looking for names and we will close this one. Okay, 2 people who are interested. Okay, Vinay. Next, anyone? Like I'm looking for one more name so that like, okay, I can understand like, okay, we have people with us. Okay, Shilpa, right? Go ahead. Okay, right. Vinay and Shilpa, let's do it. And career gap, Krishna, it is difficult, right? How many months or years we have to see, we have to plan things. Harika, no time, Harika. ठीक है? Great. Alekia, thank you. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 people and then we will close the call. Okay, right. Okay, this is the link. You can opt as per your interest and 2 people once done, you can update me your names and we can close this one. Okay. Shilpa, the additional link which we gave, that is for the elite. Okay, elite is part of batch 15 only. So batch 15 plus elite. Okay. So because you are already batch 15, we gave that link. Okay. Others are not, like everyone who is elite should be part of batch 15. Okay. Sir, will you teach us from scratch? Yes. Alekia, yes. Shilpa, how many years of experience you have and some details about yourself? Can you give it to me in the chat if you are okay? Okay. And based on that, we can figure it out. But yeah, I would tell, if you are looking out for a job, you want some mentorship कि कैसे क्रैक करना है, क्या है भाई, प्रवीण मेरे साथ रहेगा, डेफिनेटली 100% गो हेड. बैच 15 प्लस इलाइट. ओके, दोनों लेना पड़ेगा आपको. ठीक है. Okay, those who are asking for elite and normal one, in elite, I will be holding your hand and taking you towards job. That is the only difference I can tell you. Okay. So in normal one, normal Zoom sessions, live and recorded, you will come, I'll be there, I'll teach, some other people will also teach, like mix and match, and we will be giving you all the guidance. Whereas in elite, I will be only there, I will be teaching completely, and we will be giving you the entire things that you need to get job. Okay. Great. Shilpa, that's fine. I understood. 7 years, good. I think you will be there in the program, Shilpa, and one more guy. Okay, already are there. Okay. So we will see. No issues. Okay. 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 Hufeza. Skills. Harshita, skills. Okay. Okay. Great. So guys, all of you are okay, right? So, okay, let's do that. I will tell you where the resources are in the website. Okay. Shall we do that? Anyone who is enrolling, you can keep doing that last two slots, and based on your okay, we will see. Right. So all of you open the website. We will see where are the documents and recordings are there. Okay. Okay. Hey DevOps.in. Okay. So will you provide job support for Elite batch, or will you also, no, only for Elite batch, Alekia. Okay. Normal mock interviews, resume reviews as a batch, na? You are taking as a batch. Okay. So Alekia, tell me, what are you doing? Some things about yourself. Okay. Got it. Okay, great. So I think we are good. So all of you, those who have registered, okay? Okay, sure. Guys, those who have registered for free DevOps course, log in into this link I have shared to you. Okay. Go to course tab. Okay. And under course tab, you will have documents and today's video recording also. Okay. Under course tab, you go to that link, log in. Under course tab, you will have documents. Okay. So that is the one for today's video. It will be there under session. Okay. You can check that. Okay. So I think I have done my part. Okay. And I will just share my screen so that I can tell you, like, still we are looking for 2 more people. Please send me the link I have shared here. No? This one. This is the link where you get some materials and data points. Okay. Right. So let me share my screen. Okay. So guys, I don't know, like the 2 people are still enrolling or it's failing from there and I am not sure. Right. Thanks, Praveen. So I think I am good from my end. I have taken most of your questions and the way that we have discussed in the class, right? You have to always read in this way. I have given you the AI prompt, but we are going to do many things in the batch 15. Anyone who is interested, I have 2 slots with me for 70% off, 4250. You can compare the prices in the market, go check, and then come to me. I'm okay, completely fine. Okay, you can compare the mentorship, the things and all, but anyone who is opting for the elite should be the part of the batch 15 also, right? So batch 15 access, along with this, you are going to get it, right? No, free course is different. Batch 15 is different. We will update you, Bhargav. Okay. So 2 people. Okay. Who are the 2 people? 50 years old Krishna. Okay. See, Krishna, I'm seriously not sure. Okay. So you are having large experience and large, uh, like the thing is, right? Like whatever I teach, it's like for me, like 12 years, right? Technical lead, manager, probably. Your experience and your age is also like I have to handle that, right? So what are you looking from me, Krishna? That will be my question, right? You spend time, you have been there with me for three hours. Right? So something I should give it to back to you, right? Let's see. You can definitely drop an email. Okay, we will figure it out. You can send your details basically. Okay. Right. Okay. So 15 years in. Okay, sure. We will see that. Okay. No, Ravali, the classes are not started yet for 4250 batch 15. It will start soon. Okay? Right. 2 people. Who are those 2 people? Give me the names and we can end this session. I will wait for you to see you all in the batch 15. Tomorrow also one video will be there, right? So we will see that. Yes. Okay. Right. So any 2 people name? Anyone? Okay. Krishna interested. One more? Done. Okay, great. So whoever is interested, I'm sharing the link. If you see the seats are there, go ahead and enroll yourself. Right. So thanks a lot for joining. I think the way that we have discussed, the way that we have spent website, everything is in front of you. Go ahead and whatever you want to do it, do it. Thanks a lot for your time. It was great talking with you all and love you all. Thank you for your support. Share on LinkedIn. Whatever we have discussed, you can take the screenshots. You can tell that, okay, we have learned something new. Put the screenshot of this. If you want to take it, go ahead and take it. If you want to put the screenshot of any of these things on the LinkedIn, do it. Let people know that, okay, you started learning. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. With that said, this is Praveen signing off from this video. Meet you in the next video and see you all. Okay. Yes. Whoever has enrolled for batch 15, I will tell you one thing. The order will be first, you will get the meetup, DevOps meetup invites. Then you will get the batch 15 updates, and then the classes, and whoever has enrolled for Elite mentorship, you will get a separate invites. Okay. Right. So with that said, I'll close the call. Don't worry, whoever has taken batch 15, it's not like we are going to run away anywhere. You will be under us very soon. We will start the program. Okay. Once the meetup video, meetup emails are sent, you will register for the meetup Hyderabad, Microsoft, and then we will do the next planning. Okay, slowly. So don't worry and don't think like, okay, when it will start, when it will start, we will give you a proper updates, right? So this is the link, emails, keep updated. Okay. And two people, whoever is interested, you can enroll. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. Please take care. We will see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye. Yes.